Guys, today we have a really cool and fun and a little bit different of a project. We're going to be making some spiral chameleons. So when we're all said and done, our chameleon will be a little spiral that can hang like this. So make sure you're looking and listening, your voices are off and your eyes are forward so you know exactly what you can and cannot do. So today we're going to be making these fun spiral chameleons, and you'll get the chance to take it home today as well. First, you're going to look and listen to our directions, and then you'll make your own chameleon. You're going to start with a paper that looks just like this. You're going to flip it over, and you'll put your name on the back. We're going to put it in the middle of the back this time, so that when we cut the chameleon out, the name is still on the back. Once you've put your name on the back, you're going to use the materials at your table. That could be crayons, colored pencils, markers, the materials at your table to color and decorate your chameleon however you want. Once you've colored and decorated your chameleon however you want, you're going to cut it out along the outside black line. You want to start by just cutting it out on that outside black line. It's okay if it's not perfect. Do the best that you can. Once you cut it out on that outside black line, you're going to throw your trash away in one of the trash cans, either near the front, near the door, or near my desk. Then you're going to come in and you're going to very carefully, you're going to have to go slow and maybe take breaks if your hand gets tired, that's okay. But you're going to really carefully cut along this black line, including these little feet. You're going to go around the feet. You're going to cut that black line, except I didn't cut this part of the feet, just where it went along the line. You're going to cut along that black line all the way until you've created your spiral chameleon. You want to make sure that you are coloring it first. I should not see anyone start with scissors. It's easier to color it first because then if you accidentally color outside of the lines, you can just cut it off. So make sure that we color first. Once we have it all the way colored in, we're starting by cutting along that black line around it. Then we throw our trash away, and then we cut that black spiral line to finish off our chameleon. Once you've finished it, you're welcome to do one coloring page or free draw paper at your table. If you wanted to make a two-sided chameleon, you could always do another chameleon on the back, or you could read a book at your table when you're finished. If you have any questions, make sure you raise your hand. You will get to take these home today, so when you're all done, keep it with you at your table and you will get to take it home.